When it comes to video editing, having the right laptop can significantly impact your workflow and results. Powerful performance, high-resolution displays, and reliable storage are key factors to consider. Editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro requires a laptop that can handle complex tasks like rendering and multi-layered edits. A fast processor, ample RAM, and a dedicated graphics card are essential for smooth performance. Additionally, an accurate, color-rich display ensures your edits look perfect. Whether you're a professional editor or a content creator, selecting a laptop with the right balance of power and portability is crucial. In this list, we've compiled the best 6 laptops for video editing, offering top-tier performance, stunning visuals, and reliable efficiency to enhance your editing experience. Number 1. Acer Aspire Go 15 Video Editing Laptop. The Acer Aspire Go 15 AI-ready laptop is designed for high performance and versatility, perfect for both everyday tasks and demanding applications. Equipped with a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display, 1920 by 1080, it delivers vibrant and sharp visuals. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor and AMD Radeon graphics, this laptop ensures smooth performance for multitasking and graphics-intensive tasks. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it offers fast storage and seamless multitasking capabilities. Wi-Fi 6 support ensures fast and stable internet connectivity, while Windows 11 Home provides an intuitive and secure operating system. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, the Acer Aspire Go 15 offers a reliable, high-performance solution for all your needs. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix G16 Video Editing Laptop. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is built to deliver top-tier performance for gamers and power users. Equipped with a 165Hz display, it offers smooth visuals and crisp details for an immersive gaming experience. Powered by the Intel Core i7-136 50HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics, this laptop ensures optimal performance for both gaming and content creation. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it provides fast storage and efficient multitasking. Wi-Fi 6E enhances connectivity, delivering faster speeds and reducing latency. Running on Windows 11, it provides an intuitive and responsive operating system. The ROG Strix G16 is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, making it the ideal choice for gamers and professionals seeking a high-performance laptop. Number 3. NIMO N151 Video Editing Laptop. The NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD laptop is an excellent choice for students and professionals seeking a reliable, high-performance device. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, it provides ample storage and fast data access for smooth multitasking and efficient workflow. Powered by the Intel Pentium Quad-Core N100 processor, it delivers solid performance, outperforming the i3-1115 G4 with speeds up to 3.4 GHz. The 15.6-inch IPS FHD display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for studying or entertainment. Featuring a backlit keyboard and fingerprint scanner for added security and convenience, it combines style with functionality. Running Windows 11, this laptop ensures a modern and responsive user experience, making it ideal for students, remote work, and everyday tasks. Available in a sleek rose gold finish. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Book for Edge Video Editing Laptop. The Samsung 15-inch Galaxy AI Book 4 Edge PC laptop is a sleek, high-performance device designed for everyday use and productivity. Powered by the Snapdragon X Plus processor, it delivers fast, efficient performance for multitasking and handling demanding applications. The 15-inch FHD LED anti-glare display ensures clear, vibrant visuals with minimal reflections, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with live captions, it enhances accessibility for all users. The long-lasting battery ensures extended usage, making it perfect for working, studying, or streaming on the go. The 2024 version of the Galaxy AI Book 4 Edge combines advanced features with a modern design, offering a powerful laptop experience. Running Windows 11, it provides an intuitive and secure operating system for all your computing needs. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Video Editing Laptop. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 2024 is a powerful, portable device designed for modern productivity. Featuring a 13.8-inch touchscreen display, it delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with intuitive touch controls for seamless navigation. Powered by the Snapdragon X Plus 10 core processor, this laptop ensures smooth performance for multitasking and demanding tasks. With 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD storage, it offers fast data access and ample space for all your files and applications. The inclusion of Windows 11 Copilot plus PC brings advanced features like enhanced AI-driven functionality and increased productivity. The sleek sapphire finish adds a touch of elegance to its design. Ideal for both work and play, the Surface Laptop combines power, portability, and style in one versatile package. Number 6. Dell XPS 15. Video editing laptop. The Dell XPS 15 is a high-performance laptop designed to meet the demands of both professionals and creatives. Featuring a 15-inch FHD Plus display, it delivers sharp, vibrant visuals for an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the Intel Core i7 10th Gen processor, it offers fast and efficient performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Equipped with 16 GB of memory and a 512 GB solid-state drive, it ensures smooth operation and quick access to files and software. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti 4GB G DDR6 graphics card enhances the visual experience, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and graphic design. Running on Windows 10 Home, this laptop combines power, portability, and style in a sleek silver design, making it perfect for work, entertainment, and everything in between.